Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I have told you in previous lessons about the Arabic alphabets, their full shapes, their sounds, their half shapes, and the same sounds of Huroof al Hijaa. Today we will learn Arabic alphabets, similar letters, confusion. In this video, inshallah, we will do the most confusing Arabic alphabets or Huroof al Hijaa. These Arabic alphabets are always misunderstood because of their shapes. These letters are Ba, Ta, Tha, Jeen, Ha, Kha, Zal, Sa, Ain, Ghain, Kaf, Lam, Noon, Ya. These letters look alike in their half shapes, so sometimes it becomes very difficult to differentiate between them. But if you keep in mind their proper shapes with dots, then it is very easy to recognize them and you can easily distinguish between them. Let's try to understand them one by one. First, look at the family of Ba. Ba, Ta, Tha. All of them look same in their half shapes. Look. But there is a big difference. Can you see it? Look closely. Yes, yes. The difference is their dots. Ba has one dot, just one under it. Ta has two dots on its top. And Tha has three dots on it. So you can easily recognize the letters because of their dots. Ba has one, Ta has two on it, and Sa has three. Now, look at these two Arabic alphabets or Huroof al Hijaa, Noon and Ya. Noon has one dot on it and Ya has two dots under it. Now look at these half shapes. This is the half shape of Ba. This is the half shape of Noon. This is the half shape of Ta. And this is the half shape of Ya. Now can you tell me how can you recognize them? Don't worry, I will tell you. It's very easy. Yes, we can recognize them from their dots. Although the shape of Ba and Noon looks same, but if you look closely, Ba has a dot under it and Noon has a dot on it. Ba has a dot under it and Noon has a dot on it. Now look at the letter Ta, half shape, and Ya. Both have two dots, but the difference is Ta has two dots on it and Ya has two dots under it. Very good. You have learned it. Let's repeat. Ba has one dot under it. Noon has one dot on it. Ta has two dots on it. And Ya has two dots under it. Now you can easily recognize them from their dots. That's why I told you that if you keep in mind their proper shapes, you can easily recognize them. Now look at the family of Jim. Jim, Ha, Ha. They look alike, but there is a difference. What is the difference? Yes, the dots. Jim has a dot in it, Ha has no dot, and Ha has a dot on it. Again, repeat. Jim has a dot in it, Ha has no dot, and Ha has a dot on it. Now look at the family of Ain. Ain, Ghain. Ain, Ghain. They look same, but what is the difference? Yes, the dot. Ain has no dot, and Ghain has a dot on it. Just one dot that make a difference. Now look at the letters Ha and Ain, Ha and Ghain. Are they look same? A little bit, because Ha and Ain have no dot and Ha and Ghain have a dot on them. But it does not mean that they are same. Look, they are not same. They belong to the different family. This is Ha and Ha. These are from Jim family. And Ain and Ghain is another family. This is the family of Ain. Now the question is, how can you recognize them? How can you differentiate between Ain and Ha and Ghain and Ha? Whenever you are confused, look closely at their half shapes in a word, or look at the shape at the end of the word, like these are the shape of Ha: initial, middle, and the end. These are the half shapes of Ain: initial, middle, and last or final. Now look at these two words. This have Ain and this have Ha at the end. Can you notice the difference between these two? Yes, Ain has a closed end and Ha has an open end. Ain is closer and Ha, the mouth of the Ha is a little bit open than the Ain. You can easily differentiate between them. Similarly, when it comes in the middle of the word, like this is Ha, but Ha is the same, and this is Ghain, Ghain is the same. So you can see that Ha has an open end and Ghain has a closed end. Or you can say that Ha has the mouth open and Ghain has the mouth shut. So you can easily recognize them. Look at the word Ha at the end and Ghain at the end. This is Ha with an open end and this is Ghain with the closed end or with the closed mouth. So in this way you can easily recognize them. Now look at these letters. What are they? Zal, Za, Noon. Look at their half shapes. These are the shapes of Zal. These are the shapes of Za. And this is of Noon. If you look at Zal, Za and Noon, you can't find any difference in them because all of them have one dot on them. But when you look carefully, you will know that there is a difference. What is the difference? As I told you, remember that few words don't have their proper half shapes. So, Zal and Za both have the same half shapes, the initial, the middle, and the end. There is no specific different shape. Their initial, middle, and half shapes are same. Look at the word Zal at the starting shape, in the middle, and at the end. Za in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. You can see there is no difference in their half shape. But if you look at Noon, it has three proper half shapes: the starting, the middle, and the end. So you can easily differentiate between three of them. Here comes the letter Kaf and Lam. Kaf and Lam. It is very easy to differentiate between them. Kaf has a straight shape and Lam have a curved shape, a semicircle shape. The letter Kaf have these three shapes, half shapes, and letter Lam has these three half shapes. If you look closely, Kaf is straight with a kash on it, a joining shape. You can see a joining shape over it, and it is known as kash. This is the kash of Kaf, while Lam in its half shape have no such thing. In full shape, you can easily recognize them as Kaf has a straight shape and Lam have a semicircle or rounded shape. But you will be little bit confused in the half shapes, but it is easy for you now because Kaf has a kash on it while Lam has no such thing on it. In a word, can you see Kaf? This is the middle or initial shape of Kaf. It has a kash on it, while Lam has no such thing on its top. At the end, you can easily recognize them. Alhamdulillah, we have done with the confusing similar letters. I hope you have understand it. If you like this video, kindly share it. One who guides to something good has a reward similar to that of its doer. Saying of our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Barakallahu feek. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.